What's up guys, back with another video. Today we're still on the Starlet. Today I'm just going to be kind of showing my Starlet. I'm just desperate to do more videos, so we're just going to be showing more about it and going to drive. So I'll turn the camera around. So here it is, my 1998 Toyota Starlet, an NA. However, as you might have known from previous videos, we have turbo discs. Just show you from the front. Obviously, as you can see, intercooler pipes pretty low. So yeah, turbo, CT9 turbo, big fat intercooler pipes, different wheels. I always get asked in comments what size. I don't know. I'll get back to you on that. In fact, I do know the size. So obviously you can see here that this part isn't wrapped. I still need to wrap that black. So the car is wrapped in sunset orange with black accents on it. Wheels are XXRs. I'll get the proper what do you call it, size in the description. Also, as you can see, this has happened today. The door handle snapped to date. One of the things. Windows are tinted. Roof is black. It's got a Glanza spoiler on it and Glanza rear bumper. Standard exhaust at the moment. I did have an exhaust, but because it's gone from that 3 bolt now because of the turbo, like the downpipe, we're getting another exhaust ordered up. So yeah, it is lowered on coilovers, and that's really it. Really, it's stretched wheels. Well, stretched tyres for the wheels. Sorry. Also, indicators are put to clear. I'll leave a link in the description for them. They were orange. I did prefer them orange, but now that I've done the orange wrap, I prefer them white because I don't know. I just felt like it was too much orange and amber and whatever. So yeah, I've done it a few colours now, as you may know from other videos. It's been purple, silver underneath, silver paint. It's been purple, and it's been gloss black and camel, and now it's orange. I think I prefer the orange out of all of them, but you can let me know in the comments below. Also, I say Glanza spoiler, it's also Glanza tailgate and tinted lights. So yeah. Also, Recaro seats, bucket seats as well. I'm sure they're out of an Evo 9, Evo 10 or something. Evo something anyway. So yeah, it's looking the part. So yeah, we're currently on this long straight road, so I'll maybe get some drive-by shots of just kind of going up and down. Also, I don't know if you can see, painted the calipers orange as well, just to match the wrap. So yeah, hopefully you can enjoy this video. It's just going to kind of be some cinematic, if that's how you say it, cinematic shots of Starlet. Also, forgot to mention the gloss black with orange sparkle through it, just a bit dirty at the moment. So yeah. So hopefully I've done some cool montage, kind of showing shots of the car, driving past, driving, stuff like that, but it's this kind of stuff I enjoy. Complete silence, middle of nowhere, back roads that you enjoy with a car you've built. It doesn't need to be a car you've fully built, just stuff you've done your own magic touch to, just different things. So, wow, sunset as well. So yeah, if anyone's into kind of drives, long roads, long drives, whatever, just cruise and kind of sunsets and like mad roads, leave a comment in the comment section or go in the description. You'll get my car Instagram and drop me a message and we'll get something arranged, because if we're all into the same thing, then why don't we all just kind of do it together and we can get some sort of video out of it, or just enjoy the moment while we can. So yep, straight back into the montage. I hope you're all having a great week and full of positive stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, enjoy watching, and back to you, back to the car. Just like that, that's the video done. Appreciate your time for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.